very good evening to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So today is 6th of December 2021, and from this point onwards, guys, we will be doing daily analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty onwards, Bank Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and we will be, on daily basis understanding, what is happening in Nifty at present as well as in Bank Nifty at present, and what can be expected for the next day, right? So talking about today, in the last trading session, what has happened in case of Nifty moved back to upper level. This is Bank Nifty chart. We will first do the analysis of Nifty. So if I open the chart of Nifty, last time Nifty, when it rallied back on upper level in last to last trading session, what has happened on Friday? Nifty reached around this gap area, took rejection, and then ultimately started getting a lot of selling pressure in it. And ultimately in the last trading session, we also gave everyone update about this, that if prices are going to go below 17,375, then Nifty can be shorted, and above 450 level we had kept a stop loss. And after that, Nifty on every 30-minute chart just kept on making lower high and lower lows formation. And ultimately in today's session also, Nifty just kept on going down and down and down only. This was our support zone expected out of Nifty, but ultimately Nifty was also able to break this zone. That too, Nifty has also broken this zone with volume, and currently Nifty is trading in this shadow area, which was this one. And out of this shadow area, there is anything that can be possible tomorrow, right? Either there can be a possibility that Nifty can first go down till like 16,850 or something, take support, and then again go back to upper level, or the second scenario can also be that Nifty can first go back to upper level. But first, if at all Nifty will be going back to upper level, Nifty should be able to take resistance and then again starts coming down and down only, right? So as of now, for Nifty, that's what it looks like. This is currently trading around a support zone. It is a big area, and it is a big shadow area where Nifty can highly likely take support. Can not be determined as of now, but yes, because see, if we look into this chart directly, we can say that yes, by looking into daily chart, Nifty has made two candles, that two dark red candles, and prices are able to break the low of previous 1 2 3 days. Previous 4 days low has already got broken by Nifty, and this can definitely attract lot of sellers right at the opening bell tomorrow. This can definitely attract, because this is what the price action is telling as of now. But I'll tell you something related to Nifty. If everyone is looking for selling, then there can also be a possibility that for some sort of reversal that can also take place, right? For that to happen, there has to be some supportive action that can take place, and that supportive action might be RBI monetary policy, which is going to the RBI monetary policy result is going to come in on 8th of December. That is on Wednesday, right? That is one day before expiry, right? So that can definitely give some sort of impact to Nifty, because Nifty has maximum weightage of financial sector. That means we should go back and analyze. For that, we have to go back and analyze Bank Nifty also. So this is Bank Nifty chart, and Bank Nifty is currently trading around the same support area. This is a gap support area wherein Bank Nifty has historically taken support number of times, right? Ultimately, this was the area, this was the breakout area wherein in the month of August, Bank Nifty was able to give a closing above this area, and then finally retested this area number of times and gave a rally back on upper level only. After that, there has been a consistent fall in Bank Nifty that is taking place. Prices are basically now, they have gone down till like 35,890 or something, and prices have taken multiple support around this area. This is like 1 2 and 3 times prices have taken support around this area and then moved back to upper level. But whenever the prices are reaching on the higher level, there is again FIIs who are basically doing selling on the higher levels. So yes, as of now, for us, what we are doing on daily basis, we are looking for higher prices for purchasing put options, and we are looking for lower prices for purchasing call options. We are not basically buying or selling call options or put options upon breakout. We are only taking the trade depending upon, you know, what kind of momentum is kindly, you know, right now appearing in market, or maybe, you know, if there is a real breakout, then only we are looking for taking risk. That's all. So, you know, looking into daily chart of Bank Nifty, it is currently sitting around a support zone. And if we look into market profile chart of Nifty, market profile chart of Nifty is kind of indicating as of now that there might be a possibility that Nifty can come down, but lower prices should be looked for taking you know, buy position, right? There can be a reversal that can appear in Nifty if Nifty gives a further fall tomorrow. But when we talk about Bank Nifty is as of now telling that selling on the rise can be taken in Bank Nifty. And what are the highly likely areas wherein Bank Nifty intraday levels, wherein Bank Nifty can highly likely take resistance? So, you know, talking about price action as well as price and volume analysis of Bank Nifty, you know, what we can say, this was minor resistance of Bank Nifty, historic minor resistance, which was created one day before. After that, today when prices opened here, prices moved down with volume. When prices moved up, there was some sort of shift volume appeared, but ultimately when prices were trying to break this area, this is where, since there was no demand, no volumes, prices again got the rejection and they just simply kept on coming down and down. Now, when prices came down in Bank Nifty, there was some sort of volume that started appearing in Bank Nifty when prices made a new low. This new low was basically carrying less volume. This low was carrying definitely volume. So overall, I'll say that as long as this high of this candle is intact in Bank Nifty, you can still say that Bank Nifty will be going bearish only. This is just minute area. Although I have already marked down these areas, I have just simply connected the low of this candle as well as this candle's body part I have connected, and we have got one supply zone available for Bank Nifty. So this is a rough area wherein, you know, Bank Nifty can highly likely take resistance if prices open below the closing price of you know, today, right? Or let's say if Bank Nifty opens above this price area, then we need to see first prices to give a breakout below 35,838, and then we can expect further downside move. So highly likely you know, area wherein prices can take resistance will be first of all around 36,000 level as well as 35,923. This is first area. Second area would be a highly likely area would be around 36,088 to 36,116. If these two area gets broken by Bank Nifty tomorrow, then only we can expect a bullish move and we can expect prices to go and retest 36,450 level in the coming days then. Otherwise, we might not see 36,450 or something, you know, levels to be appearing, right? So that's what you know, the price action of Bank Nifty is telling as of now. We can look forward for shorting depending upon where the prices are going to open. This is one thing. Point number two, the first area of resistance is around 36,000 and 36,100, and between 36,100 to 450 there is no big support or resistance available. That means if prices are able to break this area with volume tomorrow, we can expect a bullish momentum to be appearing and prices should be testing 36,450 to 460 area in the coming days, or maybe, you know, tomorrow itself. And if at all prices are able to break 35,839, then this will open the gates for Bank Nifty to go and start trading around this area of 35,450 or something. This definitely can get tested by Bank Nifty then. This is the first area wherein Bank Nifty can retest. Second area would be the shadow area, right? So you can expect any one of these to get achieved by Bank Nifty by tomorrow. Overall, when we look into 30-minute chart of Bank Nifty, prices have made, you know, this was the last low made by the prices. Then prices have made this high, then prices have made a high, you know, lower high, and then after that higher high is already made by the prices. If prices will be making a same low or breaking this low, then, you know, there might not be a long-term reversal out of Bank Nifty. We can definitely expect long-term bearishness to be appearing in Bank Nifty. But let's see, you know, how prices will be reacting tomorrow. Overall for Bank Nifty there is a mixed reaction. That is, for Bank Nifty there should be more and more selling opportunity should be appearing in it for tomorrow, and for Nifty there should be buying opportunity should be appearing in Nifty tomorrow. Probably if the prices are able to tag these single print areas of this particular day. So currently prices are trying to fill up this area, this single print area, right? So the moment we see prices to be taking support anywhere around here, we can expect prices to again move back to higher level. That's what, Nifty is as of now, telling us. And yeah, so second part I would say will be option chain. Now, so this is option chain of Nifty, Bank Nifty. As of now, when we talk about option chain of Bank Nifty option chain has become little bit thin, and from maximum open interest till today's open interest, we can say that there is a very good set of unwinding that has taken place in call options overall since last trading session. पिछले ट्रेडिंग सेशन से लेकर अब तक there has been a consistent unwind in call options. Writing currently that is increasing in 37,000 strike price till 36,500. From 37,000 to 36,500 there is a consistent rise in call writing, but after that 36,400, 300, 200, 100 and 36,000 is showing a good set of unwinding in call options, which is kind of indicating that there might become a possibility for prices to show some sort of reversal. But at the same time, we also see the put options, 36,000 put option is right now carrying, very good amount of unwinding. That means this is also opening the gates for a good fall among in Bank Nifty, right? And in fact, 35,700, 800, 900 and 36,000, in fact, way up till 36,500 you will be finding everywhere there is good set of unwinding that has taken place in put options in Bank Nifty. So currently, this option chain is kind of becoming indecisive right now. Market participants are being indecisive. When there is indecisiveness in the market, either you should take light positions or you should not trade at all, right? So if you want to, but still if you want to trade, I would say do not trade upon breakout. You can look for taking the trade on support or resistance in Bank Nifty. That will give you much better profits comparatively. And yeah, if possible, try to do either scalping or try to look forward for taking trade from support or resistance. All right, so that's what option chain is telling us as of now for Bank Nifty. And when we talk about Nifty's option chain is showing us crystal clear, some things related to option chain as of now. 17,000 strike price से लेकर 17,300 and even higher strike prices are also showing very good set of unwinding in call options. Even for put options also there is a very consistent unwinding. So earlier this morning we were looking at option chain and we saw that 17,000 call writing was increasing, but by day end 17,000 call option has also got unwinded. This is kind of an what should we say, this is kind of an highly possible reversal expectation out of Nifty. That's what this call unwinding is currently telling us. If I show you the chart of open interest of Nifty, for that let me just open Zerodha Kite and I can show you some of the strike prices of Nifty using which you can understand overall what's happening with the open interest since yesterday, right? So yeah, so this is what I have opened now. So if I look into open interest of 17,000 strike price, 17,000 call option is showing writing increase. 17,100 call option is also showing writing increase. 17,200 call option is also showing writing increase. 17,300 call option is also showing writing increase, as well as 17,400 is showing writing increase. When we talk about put options, there is a consistent unwind in 17,400 put option, 17,300 put option, there is a consistent unwind. 17,200 is also showing consistent unwind. Even 17,100 put option is also showing a drastic unwind, but still open interest has not yet gone below the closing open interest of previous day, but still this is a drastic unwind that has taken place in 17,100 put option, as well as when we see 17,000 strike price So this is where, even I also took the position today. I purchased 17,000 put option today at a price of 85 or something in the morning, roughly around, yeah. So this was my buy price around 85 or something, and after that, prices just gave a rally till like 170 or something, right? So I just I booked some profit here, then I again re-entered around 90 rupee or something, and then I closed the position anywhere around closing price of the day, right? So this was my position for Nifty, and Nifty has given a consistent movement here, but so this is kind of as of now indicating that there should be a possibility that first move in the market should take place on the bear side only in Nifty. That's what data is telling. So but beware of that swift move. That's what I'll say, because if everyone will start doing selling and everyone is thinking that they'll make big money out of it, this is where generally option writers, they utilize that area for themselves, for taking their position and giving some sort of reversal to the market and giving loss to a lot of put option buyers. So if you want to buy put options tomorrow in the morning opening bell, if at all you see some sort of good set of panic that is coming in market and market is coming down in a swift manner, and then in that case you can think about looking for shorting position or purchasing of put options in Nifty. But at the same time you should also be holding your position only for short term, right? You can keep on updating your stop losses in the profit zone as long as your trade is going into profit, right? Otherwise holding your trade for the longer run might turn out to be a big loss making trade for you as well. So इस चीज का ध्यान रखते हुए short term trading will be preferable until or unless we see RBI policy, monetary policy committee meeting is coming out, and until the results come out, right? So that's basically overall we can expect about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So Nifty, we have expectation prices should be retesting this shadow lowest area tomorrow at the opening bell, and even for Bank Nifty also prices have as of now opened the gates for further downfall, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so that's what that's pretty much from my side for today. There was one stock which I was looking into on Friday, that was Kotak Bank. It gave a breakout in the last trading session. So this was basically Kotak Bank daily chart. Prices were able to give a closing below this area in the last trading session, right? So this was 1936 area. This was the area wherein Kotak Bank on Friday was able to give a closing below this area, and right now Kotak Bank today also it gave a beautiful move below 1913. Prices were able to give a good push down till like 1886, and prices are also able to fill up this gap area of 1906, right? So this gap area is already filled by Kotak Bank. Now what lies ahead for Kotak Bank for next couple of days? This looks like as of now that prices might be first of all retesting this high price, but overall the real support for Kotak Bank is coming anywhere around this area. So if you are looking for doing some sort of investment in Kotak Bank or something, then you can look forward for prices to come down till like 1840 to 1800 around this area. If prices they start taking support, give you reversal confirmation, then you can look forward for doing some sort of investment in it, and you can expect higher targets to be achieving in it. But the first area of resistance for Kotak Bank on the higher end will be then this one above 1950. We can expect further higher movement to be appearing, because earlier this area was acting as support. Now this area should be highly likely acting as resistance in Kotak Bank. So that's all from my side, guys, for today. If you like this video, then do share it with your friends, and we will keep on updating our analysis on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty on daily basis, and you can expect our video to be uploaded on YouTube every evening at about 6 to 7 o'clock, right? So thank you. That's all from my side, guys. Take care. Have a good day.